Last year, and it's a great pleasure to see how much progress is being made with the KES programme and really creating a community of scholars and, of course, not least, significant partnerships, over 400 one way or another, which is a tremendous tribute not only to all of the students and the partners and the funders, but also, I should say, having overseen this process in Cardiff, which is a small part of the exercise, is also a triumph in administration and management. So I'd really like to thank all of those, particularly in Bangor, but also in the other universities who've been involved in this process, because it has been and is a complex process, but nevertheless an extremely important one. There's no period that we're going through more significant at the moment of getting and obtaining research funding, which is very relevant for both the development and regeneration of the Welsh economy on the one hand, and also in terms of developing the science links with the private and public sectors and the community of Wales on the other. So this is a very important programme across Wales, and we'll be in the process of trying to have a second phase for this programme, and I know discussions are already going ahead. It's also a pleasure, of course, to welcome all of the students who are on the programme, and we really look forward to hearing some of their presentations this evening. There is in the document, I've just been scanning it, an incredible range of funding sponsors and partners to the KES programme, including, I note, just to pick one, Swansea City Football Club. And I don't notice Cardiff City Football Club here, so that's something we could try to amend. But it is very impressive in terms of building not only the research base, but also the linkages with SMEs and other organisations in and across Wales. And I'm sure that the Welsh Government, WEFO and so on, are going to be very impressed with the way in which this programme has been managed. It's impossible really at this stage to summarise in just a few words the depth and breadth of the diversity of the work that has been going on. And this evening is mainly about, I think, getting some snapshot of the presentations that are actually going on in the programme. I think it's true to say that since the programme has started across Wales, we've managed to get our act together much more collaboratively around the main priorities for the Welsh economy and for Welsh science. And some of us who are involved in the Welsh science agenda are very keen to ensure that we continue to develop our science base and develop our platform for science across Wales around those key challenges that are part of the KES project. So 400 scholars is not an insignificant number, and I think what we're onto here is a very important segment of our research training and our developing the next generation of scientists and scholars here in Wales. So it's a great pleasure to be here, and I look forward to the presentation. So thank you very much.